How to fix Wizz app not working. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix your Wizz app not working. Well, now let's try the basic solutions. If the Wizz app isn't working, the first steps are to check your internet connection. So you want to first go ahead and check your internet connection that it is strong enough. You can perform a speed test, or you can check in other apps if it is working. Now you also want to ensure you have the latest version of the app. Sometimes not updating the app might cause certain glitches and errors. So simply head into your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the latest version available. Now if it still doesn't help, you can try restarting your phone and the app itself. If that doesn't work, you can try clearing the app cache. To clear the app cache, simply scroll down the notification bar and head into settings. Once you're on the settings, you can scroll down and look in for the apps option. Under it, you can simply search in for the particular application either by scrolling or by search. Tap on it, head into storage option. Then you can see clear cache and clear data option. If you tap on clear cache, it should fix any glitches or bugs. But if you tap on clear data, it will log you out of your account and any accounts saved and any data of the app as well. So you just want to tap on clear cache. If it still doesn't help, then you can try logging out and back in on the app itself, or even reinstalling the app completely. This is how you can fix Wizz app not working. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.